Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be another DIY. I'm using stuff from the Dollarama here in Canada. I think you can also get this at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure, but I got this mirror for $3 at Dollarama. See how thick it is? And I also got this bling wrap, or bling, this bling wrap from the Dollarama as well for $2. It is so amazing. This is the easiest DIY ever. So all I'm gonna do is measure each side, and I'm gonna cut that off. So I'm just gonna measure all four sides. So first I'm gonna do the two longer sides, and then I'm gonna do the shorter sides and just cut it off. So again, you can use E6000 for this DIY, but I'm using my glue sticks, my glue gun, because it just dries up so much faster and so much easier to use. Okay, so I have all my four pieces there. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the first row because it's gonna be a little bit too high up against the sides of the mirror. So I'm just gonna cut off that first row, and I think I'm gonna do something else with that. Okay, so I do have an extra row just at the top of the mirror. Okay, let's just see how this goes. Okay, so here I am sticking the sides of the mirror. I think I'm gonna do just the middle and the sides and come back and do a little bit more, add a little bit more glue to that. So I just wanted to make sure that it was straight and everything. Okay, so this is how the first side looks. Kind of looks really amazing. This is like so elegant. I love anything with silver, as you can tell. Anything with silver just makes everything look so elegant and so beautiful. So I'm gonna do all four sides. Okay, and remember the part that I cut off? I just, here it is, that I'm just gonna go ahead and glue that onto just a little part of the frame on the inside, just to give it a more blingy look. And also just so that I can have use for this part of the bling wrap. Oh, this is looking so good. This is looking so good. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I'm practically done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up and clean the mirror up. And then it's ready to be glammed up and placed by my by the side of my bed, or maybe, I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but maybe I may put it on my table. I'm not sure. Where would you put this? Let me know down below, you guys, and let me know if you would like to try this out. This looks absolutely really good. I love it. And this is the end product, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And this lamp DIY is gonna be uploaded soon, so let me know what you guys think about it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.